Hi guys, it's me. You sure about chicken fried right? Today I'm gonna wait. Skibbly Twilight. Who's acting like he's Scabbity Toilet? Whoa! This is the first time I've seen a negative. Hey you! I'm in your soul, bro. I can see your eyes, mouth, and tongue. We just come back. Oh, okay. You papa-city. No, so guys, I just ate some ramen. Now for the ramen tales, I had bulldog ramen from Korea. I ate that. Pew, 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 pew. Hey you, where are you? Hey you. What? Okay, so what should I do? Okay, let me just choose my Diamond Orcus for 7. Yep, this guy should die on his helicopter. Whee! But there he goes, yippee. Okay, so I think... Wait a minute. Who the hell made this? What the hell is this? Okay, so I think this was supposed to be a progress build or something. And... I don't know what could happen. Wait. Is that supposed to be my opponent? He's driving on this tiny, goofy helicopter. He's gonna shoot me, right? This is gonna get off and then to shoot his whatever. Okay, so I think I'll have to walk around here and take some confidence. Oh, there he is! We can literally see you. Wait. I just found my name tag. Where did he go? Okay, so where could he go now? Where could he even go now? Where is he? Hello? Oh, there he is. Let's shoot him. No, shoot. Okay. Oh, he's right behind me. Oh, there he is. Shoot. Bro, what? I'll drive on my plane too. Wee. Wait, what the? What? Parachute landing, and guys, that's a shortcut. That's a shortcut to exit the main menu. So wait, which is this thing? Beep. I kind of want to do the piano trick. Momo, is he literally a fool from India? Wait a minute, what? What the hell? Is this guy stupid? Wait, I think I have a trick to do this. Sniper, let's go, sniper. Where is he? Let's do this. Momo! I'll kill you. He has 2 kills and me 0. This guy is better than me. I'll use my diamond Nokia for 7 again. Oh, there he is! Oh! He'll shoot me too. There he is! Shoot him! Yes! Yes, I shot him! This is kind of a success. I think I'll shoot him like another time, I guess? And then he'll get 4 kills, right? I know the future. Wait. Oh! How did he even see me? I think he saw my shadow or something. Wait, I didn't know shadows. Where was he? Where the hell was he? Where are you, Momo? Where the hell are... Oh! Bro, I didn't know he was right behind me. Oh, wait a minute. Why is this landmine here? So what should I do? Yeah, maybe I'll get back to shooting him. Okay, what should I use? Oh, yeah, that. Oh, shoot him! Come on! Yes, 2 kills. I knew it. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Whee! What? Are you serious? Wait, this Momo? I'll show his butt. See, that's his butt. Yeah, I'll shoot it. Yep, he's just going round and round. I don't care, like, what the hell is going on. I'm like, what the hell's going on? And then he's like, ha ha ha, shoot my bum, I wanna die. And then I'll shoot him with this too. I'll do what that Russian guy did. Oh yeah, there he is. Shoot him. He's using his dumb gun. Bro, that's bad aiming. I'll just explode myself. He'll come next to me and then he'll get my damage. Sorry, Jesus. Okay. So let's see what I can do. Wait, he's over there. Come on, let's go. I'll annoy the jetpack. Wee. Yep, a safe landing. Wait, there he is. Shoot him. Die, Mom. What is this? This Momo, I don't want to play with him anymore. What the hell is this? Momo has pretty good skills. Oh, there he is. Okay, so I think you'll be alright. I was serious. Can you please give me 1K subs? Please give us that money.